right, welcome back to our correct tutorial class. We are continuing where we stopped. Today we'll be doing a very different thing entirely from what we have been doing before. At our last class, I told us that everything that has to do with logo tracing, that we'll be finishing it in the last class, and I believe we are done with that. Today we'll be doing trimming of picture that has background. We need to trim it for design. Okay, so if I copy this, let's say I have this picture here, I copy it and paste. Okay, let me reduce. Okay, I'm holding my shift to reduce. All right, now please, before we commence this class, if you are new to this channel, like, comment, subscribe and turn on the notification bell for subsequent video. All right, very quick one. Of course, I reminded us that shape tool is one of the most important toolbox that we'll be using time to time as far as CorelDraw is concerned. And very quick one, what I need to do is this, just to pick my shape tool. All right, and I'll begin to trim. Just set your anchor point. Once you double click, you drop. All right, double click, you drop. Very quick one. Okay, so this is what I'll be doing today. Okay, double click and drop. I reminded us that there are a better software we can use to trim a background, and the name of the software is called Photoshop. I'm showing us this so that we can have different ways of getting things done, just the way we did for that of logo tracing. I first of all did it by using freehand and shape to actually get our logo done. Then before, I was able to show us the easiest way to achieve this logo tracing. So it's the same thing I'll be doing here. Let's first of all use CorelDraw to get this background trimmed. Okay, so just what we are used to doing for ordinary logo, right, is exactly what we are doing for this picture. All right, okay, of course, Photoshop, Adobe Photoshop is another great graphics tutorial class that you can actually use for both editing of picture and trimming of picture, or even doing design. Okay, so what I'm doing now is just we are using CorelDraw to actually achieve this. Corel Photo Paint is there as well to equally remove background, but in that situation, the Corel Photo Paint will not actually give us what this very CorelDraw is giving us, though it's part of the same CorelDraw application because they are almost four in one. Okay, so what we are doing here now, we are just trying to get this background traced out of the main picture. All right, and that is what we are doing here. So what I need to do is I'm just trying to be fast as the case may be. Okay, I'm trying to be fast as the case may be here. Let's get this thing done. Okay, so here there is sharp. Remember what we did during our logo tracing, set an anchor point before and after, and you make there to be very smooth. Okay, in this situation I can use this. All right, then adjust it, right? So like that. Okay, so with what we are having here, we are doing a great thing here. Okay, let's assume I have this. Okay, so continue like that, bringing this inside. See what we're doing here. Please don't forget, if you're new to my channel, like, comment, subscribe, and turn on the notification bell because we'll be posting videos as time goes on for those who may want to learn graphics entirely. Okay, so I'll continue here. I think we have something unique to learn from this at the end of this very class. Okay, so I will just continue. I'll be setting my anchor point here. Okay, so same thing happens here. Just trying to be fast. Okay, I can set this here. Right, so I can set this here. So I can set this here. Try to trim it. Just trying to be fast. Okay, just trying to be fast. I can make use of this very well then. Set my anchor point and curve, right? So same thing happen here. I just want to be fast about this. Set my anchor points here, curve, right? Curve it here and try to remove this as a whole. So same thing happens here. So I will try to adjust this. So as you can see, this is just going smoothly. So what I'm doing is actually what we can do to any picture we are bringing to CorelDraw for trimming of background. And very quick when you get it done. Okay, so very quick one, you just get it done. So what we're doing here is just we are finalizing with our logo trace. And after this, we can actually use it for so with this we actually getting done with the the background tracing. Okay, removing picture from the background. Okay, now once we are done with this, you discover that if I decide to increase this and maybe double click and give this a background, you discover that here is still not showing the background that we gave, the yellow background we gave, because the background that came with the picture is still appearing. So what do we do? What do we do here? Remember the class we did for trimming and um, intersect and co. What I need to do is just to select here, okay, multi-select it with the main picture, then trim, right? Now there is open. What I just did is just an access way to actually trim this inside. Okay, so very quick one. Now you can as well use it to trim the remaining inside. And by doing this, you discover that the background is removed, or we are still removing it, and in no distant time we'll get it ready. All right, in no distant time we'll just get this background ready, and set something unique. We can use it for design. Okay, we can use it for design here. So you see what is going on here. We can actually use it for our design. I'm just trying to be fast here, as the case may be. Okay, adjust it here, then adjust this one and adjust this one, right? So with this, we have removed the background from this very picture. So I believe we have been able to learn how to remove the background from a picture and maybe use it for design. So we can just draw circle here, okay, and put it here, and let's assume I duplicate this circle, okay, and I tick in the line, right? Yeah, tick in the line, and also tick in the line for this, okay. Maybe I give it a different color, and I can power clip this. Remember I did something before that we can go through object, then go to power clip, place inside container, right, and placing inside the white circle. Has it entered inside? The answer is yes. So watch a great thing I want us to do here now. Now I will not make this very picture to start from where this white inner circle is, but I want to put it above both the pink, okay. But mind you, while I'm doing this, I'm equally following. I will not like these two hands, this and this, to go out. I just want to create an effect here. So what I need to do, I've gotten what I want here. I'll just copy it, Ctrl C, then go out of that place, then paste it, Ctrl V, right? So once I paste, now I can draw a rectangle. What I need to do is just from here, anywhere, I can just multi-select it and press trim. Once I trim it, you discover that a picture is placed inside, right? Okay, I can give it a color, I can give it any color, but is actually bring the head is actually out of the pink. It was placed inside the white small line, but the head is actually outside the pink line. So this is one other great, but once you drag this out, you discover that it's just up. So sometimes you see a design like this and you wonder, how can this picture be inside of this small circle, and the head is showing outside of the main big circle. So it's just a design. I believe we must have learned something unique from this very class. Please do well to share with friends and family, and don't forget to visit my next video. Thank you and have a blessed day ahead. Bye.